Putting money on a Cash App card at an ATM is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how. First, find an ATM that is compatible with Cash App card deposits. Not all ATM supports this feature, so you need to use an ATM affiliated with the bank that issues your Cash App card, or one that specifically supports Cash App deposits. After that, insert your Cash App card into the ATM card slot. Then, enter the PIN associated with your Cash App card when prompted by the ATM. Now, choose the deposit option on the ATM menu. Look for an option that allows you to deposit funds into prepaid cards or debit card. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deposit process. You may be asked to enter the amount of cash you want to deposit, enter the cash that you want to add to your Cash App card into the ATM's cash slot. Now, review the transaction details on the ATM screen and confirm that everything is correct. Wait for the ATM to process the deposit. This may take a few moments. Once the deposit is complete, the ATM will return your Cash App card. Make sure to take your card out and take any receipts provided by the ATM. After depositing cash at the ATM, you can check your Cash App balance to confirm that the funds have been successfully added to your card.